Welcome. In this video I will show how to make a particular div auto refreshing type. For this we have two div. This is a normal div with some style to show the different, and this is the div which we want to make auto refreshing type. This div having the ID auto refresh. So let's see how it look. So it is looking like this. Now to make this as a auto refreshing type, in the head tag we have to put jQuery source. So this is the jQuery source. Now to make this div as a auto refreshing, we have to put jQuery script. This is the jQuery script which at set interval will auto refresh, means load this section of the HTML document, and whatever inside this div will be refreshed. To see this auto refreshment, I will put some PHP code to fetch the data from database, so we can see this both div are auto refreshing or not. So let me paste. So this is PHP code. This is the MySQL connect to connect to the database, and it will echo connected. Similarly, this is the SQL and this query. It will fetch the data where ID is 1 from the table test. Same code I will copy paste in this div which is we want to auto refresh. Here we will make ID as 2. So now let's see the database table. This is the database table named test. So in the table this is the values in ID1 AA, and in the ID2 values BB. So let's see the output. You see, so our divs are fetching the value from the database when refresh. Now to see this second auto refreshing div is refreshing the value or not, we will change the value in the database. For this I will narrow this page, and similarly this page also I will narrow. Okay, so now both pages are parallel to each other. Similarly, this page I have opened in this Microsoft Edge, and this page I have opened in the Google Chrome. So first I will change the value in the ID1. Okay, there is no effect. Now here I want to change, say put X. You see this automatically getting refreshed, this auto refreshing div. It means our code is working properly. We will again check this, but first div it's normal div, so it is not auto refreshing. So again I will put some, say X, Y. So this normal div no change. Now in the second value I want to make some change, let's say Y. So you see here, look, we are auto refreshing. So we are not refreshing the page, but this div automatically getting refreshed when your changes is done in the database at said interval. So in this way, we are auto refreshing the particular div in the page. So if you like the video content, then hit the like button and subscribe channel. Thank you.